I'll be going over how to find remote social media marketing jobs in this video, and I'm going to be going over on my computer here, beautiful, a few websites where you can find these jobs that'll pay you to twiddle around on Facebook all day. So in order to find a remote social media marketing job, I'm going to show you a few websites you can do. But that is a great goal. I mean, who doesn't want to actually hang out on social media and be a remote worker, wake up anywhere in the world? Now, here are a few websites where you can work a remote social media, find remote social media marketing jobs. So first off, I'm looking at Indeed, and I typed in the keyword social media remote. And what you'll see here is the average salary of somebody who works a remote social media marketing job is about $14 per hour. Now keep in mind that the space is highly competitive when you're a remote worker. So if you're just looking to play around on Facebook all day or put up posts for somebody, you got to go way above and beyond that to actually make a full-time living, okay? But you'll see here a lot of things right here. You know, part-time digital marketing manager, work from home, and they're offering in Detroit, you know, $1,000 to $2,000 a month. Okay. We have social marketing coordinator. We have paid media specialist, social media marketing manager, etc., and a lot of other jobs that are willing to be paid remote. So that's really cool. Another site that you can use to find remote jobs is Working Nomads. Working Nomads is kind of a play on the words digital nomad. So people who travel and, you know, work a job, you know, not just do gigs, but people who travel and work a job are oftentimes called digital nomads because they're connected to the world financially. They're connected digitally, and they're nomads. And you'll see there's not a lot of jobs here. There's some PPC coordinator, and PPC is paid advertising on social media networks. And, you know, one thing I'd say is I started out as a paid advertising freelancer. You know, I was working remote. You know, I ran my own agency and I was managing people's Facebook ads and Google ads remotely. And I was paid very well for it. So, you know, being able to manage people's ads can get you a lot more money than just managing their posts, you know, their free posts. So that, you know, it's more of a skill to manage ads, but that's just kind of a side note from my own experience. You know, I was earning over $10,000 a month as a freelancer. Another site you can look at for remote social media jobs is remoteok.io. If you look up social media jobs, you'll see they have a bunch here. So let's check this out. Social media and community curator. They have somebody who can market success education, community manager France, community manager Switzerland. You know, they have a lot of these things. Let's look up one of these jobs right here. Be your own boss. Okay, but here's the thing. This is 100% commission based, right? So, and it says uncapped earning potential, but I don't know. So you have to keep in mind, you know, what is a job versus what is, you know, just a commission thing. Now let's look at the social media and curator role. So you have to have experience moderating a community and you have to like electronic music. That sounds pretty cool. So, you know, maybe this is a job you apply for in that, right? But again, do you have experience moderating a community? You know, you can't really fudge that. So a lot of these things are going to be, they're going to have some experience required. Let's look at this. Marketing and community manager. Okay, so experience marketing early stage products. So, you know, again, you know, a lot of things are going to be experience required. So, especially online for basic social media marketing jobs, just kind of posting and whatnot, there aren't as many opportunities for it, but maybe you can find them out there. But as you see, there's a ton of social media marketing jobs out there. And lastly, if you're looking for more job boards to find, just Google remote work job boards, and you'll find a ton of results out there. I'm on this article on Medium, and what you'll see is there's just job board after job board, you know, justremote.co, letsworkremotely.com, ratracerebellion.com, remoteforme.com, remotearena.com, remote job solutions, right? There's so many job boards out there if you're looking to work remotely. Go out there and start looking and apply to some, sign up for some, and find the job that fits your specialty. It's one of the most fulfilling things in life. In another video, I talked about how to kind of work and travel for a year. And I kind of came up with, if you want to just travel full time, it doesn't cost that much. You need to make between $500 to $2,000 per month to sustain yourself internationally on a full-time basis. So you don't need that much. So if you can even earn that much, you can really be anywhere in the world you like. You just need to make that money. So it's a really good goal to find a remote job, and I hope you can do that. Now, if you enjoyed this video and if you got something from it, make sure to comment, what it is you enjoyed the most and what you'd like to see me post about next. And like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to find out more about how you can make money from the internet. And if you're looking to learn about what I do, I'm an internet entrepreneur. I make my money, make roughly $500,000 per month with a business model called affiliate marketing. There's a free training. There's a link in the description where you can learn more about what it is I do for a living and how you can do it too.